Is that for later?
Yes. Later on and then. Okay. This doesn't go with it. It's just cardboard. But I'm gonna be using that. Oh, this we can actually use if we have a clean white shirt, and then we can take these markers and then we can put rubber bands around it and then color on it and then wet it up and then we tell it rubber bands and then it's tie-dye. Amira, it's time to open the colors. Let me open this pack. 10 colors. Oh my, so amazing. They're also great. Yes, let's keep those to the side right now. So now we can flip these out. Oh, these are cute colors. Yeah. So beautiful. I'm gonna open my colors. Okay, you can them out. Oh, there's one more pencil. There's a blue. This is a beautiful blue. Let's move them to the middle. Da 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 da. Okay, let's move this to the side over here. Okay, Mia, which color do you want? Let me spread them out so you know. Color. Okay. And what I'm gonna do is this. Yellow will be perfect. Except I can't use yellow. Oh, I don't even have a yellow. Beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna make one of the twirls. What twirls do we make? Let's make Poppy. So first I'm gonna be using this pen. Make sure it works. Yes, it works. So I'm gonna be drawing her hair first. So her hair is usually up. And fluffy. So since her hair is done, let's do the face. And then a big smile. And then eye. Take this line like this. Over to this A. Connect it to here. And look at her. Now I'm gonna be using another color. Oh, first let's color her body. Color her dress. She usually has flowers. This
Amira, why don't you do stickers too?
We can color stickers. Okay, now I want to do stickers. Okay, take a sticker. Okay. How do you? This is, I'll be this is. This is for second day. Okay, guys, look how it's going. Oh, I haven't used the drawback. Okay, all done. Now I'm all done. She has a coat, so I'll put a coat for her. A nice, lovely coat, so she stays warm. Color in the coat. Wow. And look at it. See, she has a crown on, so I'll put a crown. How does this come? And then color it in. Look, Naya, he got new hairstyle. Oh, wow, that's beautiful. New hairstyle. I made this sticker by myself. I can't believe it.
Mia, why don't you put
I
stickers on yours now?
Mia, you
On
want
your cute drawing.
Mia, you want to color one of these stickers? Hey, you can use this one since you're drawing Bloopy. But I really don't know how to draw him. Okay, that's okay. I'm just gonna use those stickers. But Naya, I want to draw Bloopy. Oh, but how would it look beautiful? I'm gonna use, even if you don't like it, I love it. This is a beautiful.